Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe, the canine chef in training here with another drool-worthy doggy treat. I want to start off by showing y'all what I've been up to. I've been to my favorite place, the lake. Mom won't let me off the leash, so I'm limited to how deep I can go, but I think she's going to get me an expandable leash so I can go out a little deeper. I also went to pick up Mom's prescription at CVS and got to tell the pharmacy tech all about it by sticking my head out of the doggy roof. The pharmacy tech gave me and Nolan a treat, but I let Nolan have mine because I don't take treats from strangers and I prefer homemade Cooking with Bobby Joe treats. All of us doggies have been enjoying rides. I also love the doggy roof. We have also been digging up the yard. I think this would be a good place for some more blueberry bushes. We figured we would help Mom out by digging the holes for her. So as always, we have been having fun and keeping our parents entertained. Today we are showing you how to make our crock pot dog food flavor enhancer. See, us doggies have our own crock pot and Mom always has drool-worthy goodness in it to put on top of our dry dog food. We used to get a little canned food mixed in with our dry food because we didn't like just dry dog food. But then my sister Diane started having a lot of tummy issues, so Mom started feeding her chicken and rice and a new special dry dog food. Well, Mom saw how excited we got when she started putting chicken and rice on Diane's food, so she decided to start doing that for us too. That was the best decision she ever made. So this is how it is made. We use whatever chicken is on sale. It is usually family packs of chicken thighs, but you can also get chicken livers because those are super good for us doggies and they are cheap. For this recipe, we wash and put 4 chicken thighs in the crock pot. We fill it with water. Leave a couple inches from the top. Now you can do this on low or high. On low, your chicken will be ready in about 4 hours. On high, it would be 8 hours. Once your chicken is ready, you can scoop it out of the crock pot, shred it and debone it, or you can leave it in the crock pot and shred it and just leave the bones in the crock pot to continue cooking. Mom shreds it in the crock pot and she leaves the bones in there to continue cooking. Thigh bones are big enough that you can see them when you dip the food out. Then add 2 cups of rice. You let it cook on low for about 2 hours until the rice is soft. As you can see, it gets kind of thick. Now, check this out. Mom added a bonus to this chicken and rice. She adds in a cup of chicken livers. I know a lot of you are probably grossed out by chicken livers, but us doggies love them. Some humans love them too. Plus, giving us doggies livers once a week or so is super healthy for us. If you add livers, just turn the crock pot on high for another hour so those can cook. Then all you do is scoop it over the dry dog food. Dad usually adds a little cold water to our dog food because it is hot straight out of the crock pot. He cools it down for us. Then Mom will add more water to the crock pot to fill it back up. She leaves that on warm, and as the week goes on, it gets more like a soup. But it is still drool worthy on our dog food. Sometimes after a couple of days, Mom will add a little more rice to the mixture and turn the crock pot on low for the rice to cook. But she prefers for us to get more broth than rice because she said too much rice will make us fat. There are 4 of us dogs and we all weigh over 50 pounds. So if you have a smaller dog or only one dog, you may want to use a 4-quart crock pot instead of an 8-quart and just half the recipe. Or you can always scoop it into quart-sized freezer bags and freeze it. Then thaw it out or place it in the crock pot a quart at a time, whatever works best for you. Your doggies will love feeding time if you add this to their food. Well, there you have it, some drool-worthy crock pot dog food enhancer. Don't forget to check us out on Parlor and also check out our recipe and life blog on WordPress. Stay tuned to next week when Dad will be in the kitchen cooking another drool-worthy human treat. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, have a blessed week.